You're watching TelecomTV from SDN World Congress 2016. And I'm joined now by Sanjeev Mervana, who is Senior Director, Service Provider Marketing at Cisco. Sanjeev, when we look at SDN and NFV technologies, where do you see the most progress in deployments?
Yeah, I think specifically if I start with network function virtualization, the most impactful deployment we have seen is around business services as well as virtualized packet core for mobility applications, especially around consumer services, and virtual business services, obviously more around enterprise services.
And what have been some of the tangible benefits that operators have seen when deploying SDN and NFV?
Yeah, a couple of them which I can highlight. First and foremost, most of the operators are looking of expansion and growth for their target environment or the market, what they are offering new services to. By leveraging let's say network function virtualization along with SDN, in case of enterprise, they have been able to go after a market which was not being able to be furnished by them in the past. So now they are able to go after that, leveraging things like virtual CPE and so forth, expands their total addressable market and so forth. In case of mobility environment, even though they had a huge reach to the consumers, what they have been able to do is achieve an operational efficiency, especially by reducing the operational expenditure cost for offering various services. And so you can see that they have been able to achieve both going after new markets as well as achieving an operational reduction and efficiency into their existing environment, so helping them save cost as well.
And for service providers, what should they be looking out for when they come to evaluate an NFV infrastructure?
Yeah, I think when they evaluate any technologies, like they always do, it's all driven by their specific business outcomes. And their specific business outcomes could be driven by, in most recent environments, specifically leveraging technologies like SDN and NFV. It's all about how do they achieve speed, how do they achieve efficiency, and how do they achieve growth into the new market, which they have not been able to. If they start looking at those three areas, it definitely helps them zoom in to a specific use case which they can go after.
Now, Intel and Cisco have recently presented their media data center solution running on NFV infrastructure. Yeah. Can you explain more about this and the NFVi lab?
Absolutely. So Cisco and Intel have been partnering around the acceleration of NFV environment into the industry for last couple of years. We have done some joint work around performance, especially like VPP, virtual packet forwarding aspect for a specific VNF. We have also worked together on some of the security aspects, and we have been developing solutions to ensure that we can go jointly with the key customer benefits I was talking about around speed, efficiency, and growth. One specific area where we have jointly done some work together is around NFV Infrastructure, where both Cisco and Intel have built these labs to test and replicate or simulate many of the customer scenarios, what they have been looking into, and with different use cases, what I was highlighting, whether it be for an enterprise, be it for a mobile provider, or it could be for simple content provider who may be offering video. A media data center use case is a specific use case which has been leveraging this NFV infrastructure, and that's what we focused on together.
Great. Sanjeev, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.